How would you like to spice up your sales videos, deliver epic presentations, give your visitors an immersive online experience, and skyrocket your user engagement? Here's how you can give your presentation an instant makeover. You don't need fancy design skills. You don't need to do any geek coding either. Announcing Wow Presentation 2. Wow Presentation 2 is a graphics kit collection consisting of over 7 unique PowerPoint presentation themes that you can edit and customize as your own. We created and designed each slide to be unique from one another and paid attention to every detail. With several themes to choose from, you can enjoy a flexible choice ranging from doodle to mobile and e-commerce designs. This is for you if you are an online marketer, speaker, trainer, or coach. And with these presentation themes, you can create high-converting sales videos, deliver high-impact video tutorials, give your offline presentation an attractive visual appearance. They can even be used for infographics, charts, and diagrams. So, if you want to totally spice up your presentation without spending a fortune, this is for you. Act now. Get your Wow Presentation 2 graphics kit today.